God. Ritesh, I have to say,
I have overeaten.
I was so impressed
You're joking.
with your biryani. I have to cover my stomach now.
I
think
have
I'm gonna
to
look-
say that I was so impressed with my own biryani. My God.
You ate too much.
I've overeaten. I've overeaten. क्या है?
That was
Anyway.
killer, man. You really did that, huh?
क्या है कि जब गुरु अच्छा हो ना तो शिष्य का काम अच्छा ही आसान हो जाता है.
Now we are going to have a few true blue Riteish moments when the answering machine round begins. Ready to go crazy?
आंटी ये खांसरिंग मशीन ये राउंड क्या है?
Answering machine first is we are the Khans.
Absolutely.
So it's got to be the answering machine.
Lovely.
And I'm going to ask you funny questions
जी.
or some general knowledge questions.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
And whoever answers the fastest
Yeah.
and the right answers
Okay.
will get the points. So let's start.
जी.
Riteish, what film did Zayed play himself in?
ओम शांति ओम.
He
क्या?
got Right.
Very close. Only that I was in that song in Om Shanti.
That's what we all were there.
we were playing ourselves.
Yeah, because we came as Riteish and Zayed.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Zayed,
Yes.
which producer-director made 3 films where he got critical acclaim?
I would say RGV. Ram Gopal Verma.
Yes,
Huh?
that's true. Well
Yes.
done,
Hey.
RGV.
I must say. But you've forgotten the names of the films, or do you remember?
Was it for one was I'm forgetting 1 second. What can you Nach?
Yes.
Nach.
yes.
Yes.
And the second?
Yes. And the second was Run.
Yeah.
Dude,
how good.
amazing! I'm really getting it.
And the third?
And the third one, that was a little longer.
Yeah,
Darna
Ah.
Darna Zaruri.
Yes!
Yeah, buddy, dude.
Done.
Unbelievable.
I must say they are brothers in arms.
Yeah,
Shall I
and-
say the secret?
No,
Each
no.
one is helping in the
Not
other.
at all.
Very
No, no,
equally,
we are not.
under the breath.
Not at all.
No.
I'm just twirling a mustache.
He's getting into that Shivaji mode from now.
Well, I'll excuse you because you're so close. You keep on wanting to help each other. But now don't do that again.
Gee.
We'll try.
Okay, Riteish, which film did Zayed go deep sea diving in?
Blue.
Oh, that was so easy.
No. I have to really dig deep to find the treasure.
Okay.
Oh, God.
What was Riteish's first Marathi action film?
Yeah, I know that film because I watched it library.
Yeah.
Baby, you know Amitabh Bachchan in that, man.
Name 3 fruits that are commonly mistaken for vegetables.
Tomato.
Aubergine
Aubergine, no.
and Karela.
Yes.
Oh,
I must say
Very
he
good.
got the answer first.
very good. I knew tomato for sure.
Indians use a lot of potatoes, tomatoes, and chilies. Where do they come from?
Farms.
Yeah.
Who brought them first into India?
Into India.
Yeah,
For
the
potatoes.
Portuguese. Okay.
1 point.
Not bad, man. Not bad.
Okay.
Not bad.
Now, where was chicken tikka masala? originally-
Scotland.
Chicken tikka masala was in Scotland. You're kidding me.
Yes.
Really?
Come on.
Chicken tikka masala is in
Scotland,
Scotland.
yeah.
In Scotland, yes.
ये मुझे लगा तुम मतलब
Answer in Glasgow.
Glasgow.
Glasgow, yeah.
Okay.
What 6 flavors constitute a typical Indian meal?
Bitter, sour, sweet, spicy,
salty,
pungent,
salty.
No, that's
No?
Say it again.
sour.
Sour.
Bitter, sour, sweet, spicy, pungent,
Salty. Sour, salty?
sour, salty.
No.
Sour is
Salty and sour are different, no?
sour would be khatta.
Khatta.
So salty would be salty.
Namkeen.
Namkeen. Okay.
Salty is namkeen.
Now, what do I do when they both give equally? They're helping each other and even giving the
No,
answers
but
together.
come on, who gave the first 5?
Yeah.
And what? Astringent.
Estrogen में कुछ
No,
नहीं है.
नहीं है. ऐसा था.
वो शायद तू ग्लासगो में कोई गली में घुस गया होगा वो
ऐसा मैंने-
estrogen भी बोले वहाँ पे.
Astrogen.
Give me the answer. It's sweet, salty, bitter and spicy, and sour,
Sour. What's the 6th one?
astringent.
Estrogen, you were right.
Yeah.
लगता है तेरे expeditions बहुत कुछ सिखा रहे तुम्हें.
बहुत कुछ सिखा रहे.
हाँ?
So it's 4. I'll give it to you because 4-2.
4-2.
4-2.
चल यार, एक तो
Let's
मिल
see,
गया.
it's still coming. Who discovered dumb cooking in India?
Nawab.
Mughals.
Mughal नहीं, Nawab.
Nawaba what?
Abad.
Abad.
Yeah, you know what they did, right? They used to cook everything together with one bread thing.
Correct.
So that's how dum.
Dum cook.
Yeah.
I must say,
Correct.
not bad, huh?
Yeah,
Ritesh?
by
Very good.
cute.
First of all, you were cheating in the first round.
No, we didn't cheat.
And
We didn't
helping
cheat.
each other left, right, and center. Brothers in arms, I would say.
But I was especially like impressed with the dum cook.
Okay, then Zayed, give it to
Yeah, please.
Give it.
Ritesh,
Wow, how sweet.
Ritesh, I was especially impressed by
Thank
this.
you. Thank you.
Enjoy, my brother.
Give it to
Lovely.
Janelia. Give it to
To
Janelia.
Janelia.
Yes,
Janelia.
thank you, Janelia. This is
Janelia
beautiful.
coming home.
Yeah.
And
With a biryani chef.
Yeah, with the
Yes.
biryani Khan Sama
but
chef.
not
Handsome.
so fast.
Gee.
Since you have been so lovely and bonded together and you wanting to, always pointing that he should get, so I've kept one even for you.
Oh, how
Wow.
sweet, mom.
Here's one hamper for you.
Oh,
Pick it
wow.
up, it's too heavy for me.
Okay, thank you, mom. All right, here we go.
Wow. ये
So-
इसे कहते हैं माँ का प्यार.
Oh, और भाई का प्यार?
इसे कहते हैं.
नहीं,
Well,
thank
all
you.
I can say is thank you, Riteish.
Thank you.
And thank you, Zayed.
Thank you, my
for
mom.
coming here on the show. You two have made me laugh so much. You wonderful boys that I can't say anymore. Really.
Thank you,
It's a
thank
treat
you, auntie.
to
Thank you
have
so
you.
much.
Thanks a lot.
That brings us to the end of today's show with the promise of many more celebrity friends and interesting recipes and stories as we go along on this culinary journey. So tune in to Spices and Secrets. See you in the next episode. Till then, enjoy your family time.